Welcome back to our special post-debate coverage tonight. When it comes to Decision 2024, one of the top issues for voters across the country continues to be reproductive rights and abortion. And here on the state level, abortion will be on the ballot this year.
You'll see it as Prop 139. It's asking voters whether or not the right to an abortion should be put into our state's constitution and whether or not the time for getting an abortion legally should be extended. 12 News journalist Colleen Sikora looks at what both yes and no votes will mean.
From the streets to the state capitol.
We will show it in November that we will stand for life.
This year, Arizonans,
women want to have the choice,
passionate over the issue of abortion.
We do have choices, and give life and then let some happy family adopt that beautiful child.
I have some freedom, and now you're telling me that my granddaughter is not going to have the same freedom as me?
As a state Supreme Court ruling in April started weeks of battle at the state legislature over repealing a near-total ban on abortions in Arizona. Governor Katie Hobbs signing the repeal of that near-total ban in early May. Abortion now legal in Arizona up to 15 weeks in pregnancy or in a medical emergency. But come July, petition signatures turned in to put Prop 139 on the ballot. Arizona voters being asked to decide whether to put the right to an abortion in the state constitution. That right would be up to fetal viability. The proposed amendment also says both before and after viability, the state will not be able to interfere with the good faith judgment of a treating healthcare professional that an abortion is necessary to protect the life or health of the pregnant individual.
Prop 139 puts the decision-making power in the hands of patients and their doctors rather than politicians and the government.
Prop 139 is not codifying Roe, and it is not allowing abortions only up to viability. It is allowing abortions through the entire pregnancy for virtually any reason.
A voter who is considering voting yes on this, what would you want them to understand about this?
That it goes far beyond what meets the eye and what they're being told.
Opponents of Prop 139 from the It Goes Too Far campaign say the proposed amendment is vague, and should it pass, women's safety would be at risk.
Such things like under Prop 139, it makes it impossible to enforce those very critical safety precautions, including an ultrasound. Under Prop 139, it takes the doctor out of the doctor-patient relationship. The doctor who has the expertise to detect and then respond to complications and medical emergencies. You won't even find the word doctor or physician in the amendment.
Proponents of Prop 139, Arizona for Abortion Access, say the ballot initiative would bring back abortion availability similar to what existed under Roe v. Wade.
It doesn't change or decrease any medical or healthcare safeguards. So it keeps every safety standard in place. And if you actually read it, it says that care must be provided by medically accurate data and evidence-based standards.
The opponents will argue, that the current law does not prohibit a doctor from helping a woman whose life is at risk. So what would this change?
It should be about medical realities, and that's what so many Arizona women and doctors of all political parties are telling us.
On both sides of Prop 139, recognizing the weight of an amendment in the state constitution, something that can't be changed.
At the end of the day, no matter how someone personally feels about abortion, we know that the vast majority of Arizonans don't want politicians making their personal healthcare decisions.
The fact of the matter is, it doesn't matter what they say. It doesn't matter what I say. What matters is what the amendment says, because that's what the courts will be beholden to.
Colleen Sikora, 12 News.